In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an article on ElevenLabs. If you're looking to transform your written content into engaging audio, you've come to the right place. Let's get started on this journey of turning text into voice. First, head over to the ElevenLabs website and navigate to the text-to-speech page. This is where all the magic happens. The interface is user-friendly and designed to help you get the most out of your text-to-speech experience. Once you're on the page, you'll notice a text box where you can start typing or paste your article. This is your canvas, so feel free to let your creativity flow. As you begin writing your article, keep in mind the importance of paragraph structure. Short, concise paragraphs are your best friend here. They help ensure that the pacing of the voiceover remains natural and easy to follow. Remember, clarity is key when converting text to speech. Now that you have your article ready, it's time to choose a voice that complements the tone of your content. ElevenLabs offers a variety of voices, each with its own unique characteristics. Take your time to browse through the options and find a voice that resonates with the mood and style of your article. Whether you're going for something warm and friendly or professional and authoritative, there's a voice for you. Once you've made your selection, it's time for a test run. Play the audio to hear how your article sounds in its new spoken form. This step is crucial as it allows you to make any necessary adjustments. Maybe the pacing needs a tweak, or perhaps a different voice might suit the content better. Don't hesitate to experiment until you achieve the desired result. Remember, the goal is to create an audio version of your article that sounds natural and engaging. This might take a few attempts, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. The flexibility of ElevenLabs' platform makes it easy to go back and make changes until everything is just right. And there you have it. You've successfully turned your written words into a dynamic audio experience using ElevenLabs. Now you're ready to share your article with the world in a whole new way. Whether it's for a podcast, a presentation, or just for fun, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching, and happy article creating. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep creating and exploring new ways to bring your stories to life.